Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to cancel your Zoom subscription in desktop. What you need to do, first just go to Google and type zoom.us, and here is the first link. After that, just click here my account, and then click here account management, and then billing, and here is my current plans. Here the information. It's pro monthly subscription, it's active, and here it will be the next invoice. Then just click here cancel plan. Your subscription is paid until August 2021. Okay, then click again cancel subscription, and you can give a reason here if you want. Okay, for example, if I select this one, I'm no longer working remote, and then click continue. Okay, it's done now. This is what you need to do if you want to cancel your Zoom subscription on desktop. I hope this video is helpful, and don't forget to give a like and subscribe to the channel if you are not subscriber yet. Thank you and see you.